Hey, so we are back on the HELLWIG. Last couple of days we spent moving, but now back on the project. And at the moment we're discussing cleats, lights, accessories, hardware, whatever. The rubber is here, but the oven's not here, so it's PVC, and you can play around with hot water and whatever, which is always a pain in the butt. So as we do warm forming of acrylic, obviously the easiest thing is chuck this thing in the oven, and after 20 minutes it's like silicone, you can put it on, it hardens and it's on, but we haven't moved the oven yet, so that has to wait a couple of days. Right now we just think of putting a light on the boat, and then two cleats, the light, or a third cleat, which was kind of what it had when we received it. I honestly don't really like the light. I mean, it's a small electric boat, probably nobody's going to use that in the dark on that lake. I personally tend to do this, and then either put the cleat further to the front. So with the three cleats, or even leave the cleat and just do the two cleats on the side. Again, a super small electric boat, so I mean, on the back you have the two rings for the water ski, the original one, which you can of course use to tie the boat. You have the two on the front. I mean, you have the front hooks, all pretty accessible. So I think the less stuff we put on it, the cleaner it looks. And yeah, I mean, put in the comment section what you think. Which version you like better? Just the two cleats, the three cleats, or the three cleats with the light, or the two cleats and the light. A lot of options, I know, but yeah, let me know. I'm super interested in hearing what you guys think, and yeah, then we'll see what we do. Now we actually do some logos and emblems on it. Alright, so let's talk about the logos quickly. Unfortunately, HELLWIG as a company is not very supportive when it comes to parts for vintage boats. So we had to make some ourselves. In that case, we asked Boatsign, Oliver Linke, who is the person to do this stuff. So he's the guy to make you happy. If you need any lettering, logos whatsoever for your boat, this is the person to ask. So if you check out the Invader, sorry if I always come back to the Invader, I know it's about the HELLWIG, but the GW Invader logo, three-dimensional. This is not a sticker, this is really three-dimensional, made just from an old picture. Obviously Ollie made it for us. The thing in the steering wheel is a doomed sticker that Boatsign did for us. Awesome, awesome, awesome work. And same thing here. Let's unpack it. And we just had the old broken logo that we took off from the old boat, and this is what he made us. So again, a three-dimensional real logo. This is awesome and will look perfect on the boat. And the same goes for the stickers. If you remember the videos where we disassembled the boat, you saw these stickers on the side. So I made just good pictures and measurements, and Boatsign made it new for us. And this will make a lot of difference on the boat. So let's start and get these attached. So these logos go here on the side, like this. Actually, I'm pretty unsure if we put them here, or if we put them here. I think originally they were here. Let's get this foil off. It's something I hate. So no riveting, no drilling or anything like that. That comes with a perfect 3M tape, actually the same stuff that's used if you have a logo or a lettering on your car. That's what is used by the manufacturers. That will hold for years and years and years. It's UV resistant. Awesome, 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 awesome. And then let's have a look at the sticker. The sticker was here. We just need to take some proper measurements so they're at the same height on both sides. So what we wanted, I mean, we made this trailer really match the boat. So what we do is we give the trailer the same sticker because we want to really run on the trailer as well. So somewhere around here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's actually quite nice.
Awesome. I love it.
Yeah, I like it when I make a fool out of myself. No, I just tested sitting here, and that's actually pretty comfortable. I mean, I'm 190, it's a small boat, and of course there's no upholstery on this yet, so it actually gets a little bit higher and it gets a little bit further forward due to the foam, but generally it also has the steering that comes out really nice. And so yeah, woodwork's basically done. The wood gets actually some preservation now, and it is multiplex, so it is water resistant, etc. I mean, you give it a good coat of epoxy, and then we'll start upholstering it and foam it and vinyl and everything, and then we start making all the side panels and everything. And I'll show you that in the next video. So far for today, get the logos on, get the wood cut, and yeah, thanks for watching. Have a beautiful weekend, and I'll see you probably on Monday when we continue with this.